Hello, welcome to my channel. Top Amazon FBA trends to watch in 2025. Key insights for sellers. Welcome to the future of e-commerce. As we approach 2025, Amazon's FBA Fulfilled by Amazon system is evolving, with new trends and technologies shaping how businesses sell, operate, and grow. Whether you're a seasoned seller or just getting started, staying on top of these changes is essential for success. In this video, we'll explore the top FBA trends for Amazon sellers in 2025 that you need to know to stay ahead of the competition. 1. The rise of AI-powered. One of the most significant trends for Amazon FBA in 2025 is the increasing use of artificial intelligence, AI, and automation. Amazon has already been using AI in various aspects of its platform, from product recommendations to inventory management. In the next few years, sellers can expect even more sophisticated AI tools that can help optimize listings, pricing strategies, and even customer interactions. How AI will help FBA sellers. Inventory optimization. AI will be able to predict demand trends more accurately, helping you keep the right amount of stock at Amazon's warehouses. This reduces costs due to overstocking and ensures you don't run out of popular items. Dynamic pricing tools. AI-powered tools will automatically adjust your prices based on competitors, market demand, and even seasonality, helping you remain competitive while maximizing profits. Customer support automation. Chatbots and AI-driven tools can help answer customer questions, process returns, and even handle disputes, reducing the need for manual intervention. By 2025, Amazon's AI systems will likely offer more advanced forecasting and better solutions for sellers, making your business more efficient. 2. Expansion of Amazon's global. In 2025, Amazon's FBA program will likely expand to even more countries and regions. As Amazon continues to grow its global marketplace, more sellers will have access to new international customers, making it easier to sell products worldwide without the logistical headaches. Opportunities for FBA sellers. Access to emerging markets. Countries in Asia, Africa, and South America represent some of the fastest-growing e-commerce markets. Sellers will be able to tap into these regions using Amazon's FBA program, with fewer barriers to entry. Cross-border selling. With advancements in logistics and Amazon's expanding global network, shipping products internationally will become more streamlined. Localized customer experience. Amazon will likely make more tools available to help sellers create localized content, from translations to currency adjustments. This will help sellers better cater to different regions' preferences. As Amazon's global reach expands, FBA sellers have more chances to grow their businesses beyond local borders. 3. Increased focus on sustainability and green logistics. Sustainability is becoming a priority for both consumers and businesses, and Amazon FBA sellers are expected to be part of this shift. In 2025, we anticipate more regulations and customer demand focused on eco-friendly products, sustainable packaging, and reducing carbon footprints. What sellers need to know. Amazon has already introduced the frustration-free packaging program, but by 2025, the platform will likely place more emphasis on eco-friendly packaging. Sellers who switch to sustainable materials will not only help the environment, but may also attract customers looking for more eco-conscious choices. Amazon has pledged to become carbon neutral, and by 2025, FBA sellers might be required to participate in carbon offset programs. This could include offering more information about the environmental impact of their products and incorporating greener practices into their logistics. As consumer demand for sustainable products grows, sellers who focus on eco-friendly goods, such as reusable or biodegradable items, may gain a competitive edge. Sustainability is no longer just a trend, it's a necessity. 4. Enhanced FBA reporting and analytics tools. As more businesses are using Amazon's FBA platform, the need for more sophisticated reporting and analytics tools will grow. In 2025, we expect Amazon to offer enhanced data-driven tools that help sellers track performance in real time and make better business decisions. Advanced analytics features. Sales insights. Expect deeper insights into sales data, allowing you to track performance not just at a product level but across different markets, regions, and even customer demographics. Profitability metrics. Amazon will likely introduce more tools to calculate net profits, factoring in expenses like storage fees, shipping costs, and advertising spend. This will help sellers make more informed decisions about which products to focus on. Customer behavior analysis. FBA sellers will have access to tools that help analyze customer behavior and preferences. With this data, sellers can tailor their product offerings, marketing, and customer service strategies more effectively. By 2025, data-driven decision-making will be at the core of successful Amazon FBA businesses, with sellers relying on these advanced tools to make smarter, more profitable choices. 5. Enhanced virtual and augmented reality shopping experiences. Amazon is increasingly experimenting with augmented reality (AR) and virtual reality (VR) shopping experiences. In 2025, these technologies will likely play a larger role in how customers interact with products on Amazon, which could significantly impact FBA sellers. What FBA sellers should expect? AR product visualization. Customers may be able to use AR to view products in their homes before purchasing. This is particularly relevant for products like furniture, home decor, and accessories. Sellers will need to ensure that their listings include high-quality images and AR-compatible visuals. By 2025, customers could have the option to browse products in a virtual store or experience a more immersive shopping journey. Sellers who can provide unique and engaging virtual shopping experiences will likely stand out. 6. Shift toward direct-to-consumer D2C sales. By 2025, more FBA sellers will explore direct-to-consumer D2C sales strategies. Amazon's growing ecosystem, along with enhanced marketing tools, will allow sellers to reach their customers without relying solely on traditional retail channels. Key benefits of D2C. Higher profit margins. Selling directly to consumers through Amazon's platforms or through other channels like your website allows you to avoid middlemen, increasing your profit margins. Brand control. With D2C sales, sellers can control their brand image, customer experience, and loyalty programs. Amazon's growing range of tools will enable sellers to create stronger relationships with customers. Personalized marketing. Amazon's single quotes as ad platform will allow sellers to target their ideal audience more precisely, improving conversion rates and brand visibility. In 2025, more FBA sellers will tap into D2C sales to increase their profits and build stronger brand identities. 7. Increased integration with social media platforms. In 2025, social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube will likely become even more integrated with Amazon's FBA program. As social commerce grows, these platforms will serve as powerful tools for Amazon sellers to drive traffic to their listings. How social media will affect FBA sellers. Social media shopping. Features like Instagram's shoppable posts and TikTok's Shop Now buttons will make it easier for customers to purchase directly from social media platforms. Sellers will need to optimize their listings for social media, using high-quality content and compelling calls to action. Influencer partnerships. Collaborating with influencers will be an essential part of an FBA seller's marketing strategy. In 2025, Amazon's partnership with influencers will likely grow, allowing for easier product promotions through social media channels. The future of Amazon FBA in 2025 is exciting and filled with opportunities. From AI automation to global expansion, sustainability, and enhanced customer experiences, these trends will shape how sellers operate and thrive. From AI automation to global expansion, sustainability, and enhanced customer experiences, these trends will shape how sellers operate and thrive. By staying ahead of these trends and adapting to the evolving e-commerce landscape, Amazon FBA sellers will be well-positioned for success. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts on what trends you're most excited about for 2025.